The primary photo is the single photo that best shows the item to be named. In this case, you've got a rug, you've got a washer dryer, and you have this display cabinet uh, piece of furniture. AI will know that these are the things that you're trying to have them rename. The overview photos we recommend to do for each room, and these are wide angle shots, usually anywhere from 3 or 4 to a room, that try to show everything that is in the room. That way, if you forget to list something, you can check back and see, did I leave that out? Or if you need clarification of where it was, you have these overview photos that also go into the rooms, but they are not pushed through to AI to rename or renamed. The secondary photos are additional photos that are helpful for you to know the quality of the item. For example, this would be like a signature, a close-up signature on a painting. It might be the provenance. It might be an appraisal document that's uploaded. You also do not push these out to be renamed by AI or rename them. This, again, is a close-up of the knots per square inch on a rug. So you can see where it would be helpful, but you don't want items duplicated by naming this and the primary photo. And these are groups of items that AI is going to be able to look at that group of photos and name the various items on that are shown as separate items, and then use the same photo so that one can refer back to it to know what's listed. This is a fast way to list the contents of a home if you're just trying to get it all listed very quickly and easily. All right, so that kind of sums up. That's, again, the old expression, garbage in, garbage out. The better the photos define what you want named, the better the results will be. Thanks.